Alright guys, here's the plan for today. We're going to coat the inside of this bed, the insides of the bed, the inside of the tailgate, and all this wood, basically the whole inside of the bed with this product Flood. It's a Penetrol. If you've seen my other video, I did the Le Mans out there, the project car that I'd gotten for free. It's a 71 Le Mans. Check out the video if you haven't seen it. We apply this on there to give it a little darker look, protect the metal, and protects the patina, if you will. I've used this in here before. Like I said, it's been probably 4 or 5 years. And this wood still looks pretty good. It's just looking a little dry in my opinion. So we're going to give it a nice coat and go with that. So it gets you a cup, a brush, a quart of this stuff. You don't even need a quart. If you watch that last video, like I said, I did that whole car with half a quart, and that thing sucked up a lot of material. It's just so rough. This won't use nearly as much because this is really nice and smooth. It's not super oxidized. The wood takes obviously a little bit more, but I'll go ahead and speed up the video and we'll get this applied on here and let you see the before and after, and in case it's something you might want to do one day. All right, let me speed you up. We're all done. Wrapped it up. All right, so we got the coat on there. Just do one coat. That's all you need. Nice. It's not a heavy coat. You just brush it on. You'll see it goes on. It goes very far. Like a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. So we went ahead and coated this. I used maybe a quarter of this can. I used a half can to do that whole car out there, that Le Mans, which is super scaly, super rough, sucks up a lot of material. And so I still got a quarter left. I'm probably going to go buy another quart just to keep on hand. You want to let this sit 12 to 24 hours, let it dry up. Don't go bombing around town and getting dust and bugs and everything stuck in this stuff, or it's going to look kind of terrible, right? Let it cure up, you know. I know you want to get out and drive it and show your friends. Chill out, relax a little bit. Just let that baby cure and gas off a little bit. All right, so this is what it'll look like. If you got a patina paint job or tractor or anything like that and you want to protect it and kind of give it a cool look at the same time, this is the stuff you're looking for. You can go to Home Depot or wherever and buy this. So we got it all coated on there. Looks good. And that was just a quick video to kind of show you what I'm doing here in the shop. And find something else cool to do around here. And we'll keep you posted on some of these projects and stuff going on around here. So remember to take care of your tools so they can take care of you. Okay? If you take care of them, you'll know where they are. They'll perform well, so you can do cool projects like this or anything else that I do around here or you do around your place. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, all the YouTube things, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, so let's go find something else here. Sure, I could put this on something else. We got something around here.